Welcome back to our 10 years younger videos. This time we'll be talking about using concealer. The number one place women want concealed is under eye circles. Often when it is applied, it looks dry and cakey. I have found that if you mix a little Merle Norman Revitalizing Eye Gel with the cover-up, it reduces the cakey look as well as puffiness. Dampen a sponge and lightly tap over the cover-up. That helps to feather the edges and blend it into the skin. Look at the two sides. The difference is subtle, but the cover-up softens the flaws, plus gives a second layer to hide the flaw. I'm often asked whether it is better to apply the cover-up before or after applying foundation. If you have a long-lasting foundation that dries almost immediately, you'll have more success blending it if you apply before foundation. If you're troubled with expression lines around the mouth, between your brows or on your forehead, you can use a slightly lighter cover-up than your normal skin tone to soften the lines. Remember that light colors make something appear to come forward. If you put a light streak of cover-up in the darker expression line around your mouth, it appears to come forward, making it appears less deep. You can also apply over dark spots to make them appear less visible. For most concealing, a synthetic brush works best because it holds more product. Use the lighter concealer as a highlighter as well. My nose has a little crook in it, so I put a streak down the center to help visually straighten it. When the cover-up is unblended, it can create an uneven look. Take a damp sponge and again tap to blend, paying special attention to the edges. I like to use an upward motion to lift the face. Compare with and without concealer. You'll see it helps to soften flaws without a heavy makeup look. If you have questions on using concealers, just call us at 979-268-0608. Now that you've diminished the flaws, our next video will show you how to select the right color of foundation and how to apply it.